Hmm. So class, today's topic is if conditionals. This is a part of your tenses, but it only comes when generally till 8 it is mentioned. 8 onwards it will come directly as a part of your tenses. So what is if conditionals? If conditional means when you are when you're saying that something which is imaginary, conditional, based on a condition. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you heat ice, it melts. If it rains, will cancel the trip. It only gives you a condition. If this happens, then this will happen. So for this, we have four conditionals. First one is the zero conditional. In your zero conditional case, you have if plus simple present equals to simple present. The first conditional is if plus simple present equals to simple future. Second conditional is if plus simple past equals to would plus V1. And the third conditional is if plus past perfect equals to would have plus V3. You have to learn these rules. It is precisely based on the concept that what is given to you in the question and you need to complete the other half of it. For suppose you are given, for example, in the first question, if you can see, it's given if we heat ice, it dash. So you need to identify. Yes, wait. You need to identify like if plus it is simple present. So you can fill simple present also. You can fill simple future also. So both the options are possible. Here it can be it melts or it will melt. Similarly, in the second one, if you open the drawer, here open the drawer, again simple present is given. So again the formula comes whenever simple if plus simple present is given, you have the option to fill get, you get or you will get according to the new subject. Here we filled according to it, here we are filling according to you. Now here if plus blank, there's a blank. So we need to understand what is given. Would not have V3. So here we are given would not have V3. So the formula is if plus past perfect. So you need to fill the past perfect if you had given. So if you had given clear instructions, they would not have made mistakes. This is the way how you do the conditionals questions. Any doubt you may ask. Just a second. So these are complementary. These are go together. Like if there is simple past given, then you have to fill would plus V1. If would plus V1 is there, then you need to fill simple past. Similarly, the case with past perfect. If there is past perfect, you need to fill would have plus V3. If would have plus V3 is given, you have need to fill past perfect. So you need to see what is given in the question that I taught you in the first three. Same I can repeat with fourth also. If here simple past is given, if plus simple past. So if plus simple past formula is would plus V1. So here the V1 is be. So would be. You need to understand what is given. So out of, again I'm repeating, what are the basic things that you need to focus on? Only three things that are important. What is given? First concept. You need to identify what is given. So if plus either it is if plus simple present. Whenever it's simple present, you need to fill it with simple past or simple future. It can be any blank can be there. Simple present में blank हो सकता है या simple past में या simple future. Sorry, not simple present. Simple present only. The second one is the second rule says that when you are given with if plus simple past, then you need to fill only would plus V1. ठीक है? When if simple past is given, तो would plus V1. If would plus V1 is given, then simple past. Suppose here would plus V1 is given, so the other complementary is simple past. So you need to fill arranged ka arranged. Okay? The next third rule says if we have if plus past perfect, that is equal to would have V3. So suppose here would have plus V3. So you need to fill past perfect. If past perfect is there, then you have to fill would have gone. Understood? Class, I want you to
हमें
try.
वो जीरो कंडीशनल वाला रूल भी था.
Yes, all the conditional rules you need to apply on. So kindly do this question, and here you need to attempt all conditionals. Just focus what is given and what you need to fill the opposite of it. Okay? So these are your answers according to the questions. So if you see what we are doing, if plus simple past, would plus we will. Fifth one, if plus simple present, will plus V1. Sixth one, if plus had plus V3, would have plus V3. Seventh, if plus simple past, would be. Eighth, if plus simple past, again would be. Ninth, if plus had plus V3, would have plus V3. And tenth is if plus simple present, either simple present or simple future. This is your next question that you need to solve. Everybody is done.